Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, sagaloo. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Right, doing the chicken vindaloo now. Same again.
Lovely.
Put peppers in. Just put a little bit of spice in. With a chicken vindaloo, you have a piece of potato in as well.
Oh, lovely.
So we put a little bit of coriander.
Speaks to my Irish heart here.
A little bit of methi. Curry again, sauce. Lemon juice. And then the tomato puree. And then the chili powder. About 2 teaspoons. This is hot chili powder, it's not Kashmiri.
Okay.
I'll put my potato in, as you can see.
Yeah.
That's to define it's a vindaloo, so the waiters don't make a mistake.
Ah.
Right.
And that's just a traditional accompaniment in with the vindaloo.
Yeah,
Potato.
it's so that the waiters know what curry's what. Yeah, so normally with a madras they would put a piece of tomato. With vindaloo they would put potato. And with Ceylon, you know, because it's this bright colour, you know. And fowl, it even looks brighter.
Yeah, it's a shame you haven't got any more burners. You just put them all.
Yeah, it's all right. That's why it's taken longer.
Like in the restaurant, you cook different curries all in one go.
That's always the way, isn't it? You get everything else set up, and then the gas goes, or else something like that.
Well, the gas is gone on that one.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like, you know. You could probably do a few more if you hadn't gone, but either way, this is phenomenal.
I think it's better to do one at a time.
It's like, look, if you were running your business,
You have to.
Yeah.
if you were running your business, you know, you wouldn't mind doing 4 or 5 at a time if you could, but when you're here chilling, doing your thing and you're in the
Yeah.
world, you're better off.
We got all the time in the world. So basically you want to get the sauce as thick as you will like it, you know.
Yeah.
Some people like a thinner sauce, some people like a thick sauce. but it's a nice smooth sauce. So
And if you were doing this now here, say at home style cooking,
I would do one pot.
one pot, yeah, rather than your gravy based
Yeah.
and all that stuff, yeah.
And everybody eat the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's nearly done. Okay, that's done.